Hello everyone, welcome back in another video of SQL learning. So let's get started. In this video I'm going to show you how to find particular information or particular column from a table. Let me show you. Here I have a table named student information. Under this table I have 5 columns, and let's just say I want to see all the name under this student information table. So let's just check it out how it is done. As you want to see all the name under this table, so first we have to put this select statement. Then as you want to see name, then I'm going to type it name, select name. Then I have to define which table. Here I have table named student information. So let's just type it student information. As the statement is over, I have to put semicolon at the end. Now let's see. Go. So as you can see, here I can see all the name under the name column. We can see multiple column by this method. So let's see. Select. Let's just assume I want to see role and name. From which table? Student information. So from student information, putting semicolon at the end. Now enter. Here I can see role and name. Let's just say I want to see all the information under the student information table. So for that, as usual, I have to write select, then I have to put this star mark. Here it means all the information under our desired table. Then from student information, now putting semicolon at the end. Now go. So by doing this, we can see all the information, all the columns, all the record under this table, which is student information. So that's all in this video. Goodbye.